Pierre, he was in the courtroom this morning. He has more on what happened and what's next from here.
Welcome back to the channel once again, fam. We got a slight update for you on the whole case involving the two men accused of killing young Dolph, Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith. And we're gonna start it off like this. For everybody in our own comment section, and pretty much that have been following the case since it started, everybody that said, these dudes ain't got no money, they actually broke, they can't afford a lawyer. Well, looks like y'all might have been right, because looks like they have asked the judge for one more week to allow their families to finalize arrangements on hiring a lawyer to represent them. Judge Lee Coffey gave both men one more week to hire lawyers, but he reminded them that he can't allow them to remain in jail without having one. Next Friday will be the hard deadline, or they'll get appointed public defenders, which in their case might not be too different than anything else, because we all know the accusation of what I mentioned earlier about them not having the money to afford a lawyer. But there's also the theory that no lawyer wants to take this case because of, well, obvious reasons. Really obvious reasons, like, you know, saying you're going to turn yourself in and then not, and then getting caught by U.S. Marshals in Indiana. And I'm not exactly a fan of saying that the person of today is their past, but you ain't helping your case there, player. So maybe either money or just not being able to find somebody willing to take the case. Well, without being forced to take the case, basically, at this point. Those may be the only two options. There may be some other reason why, but you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. Is there a possible other reason, or is the boys just broke? Or can they just not find anybody? Let me know what you think, and while you're there, you already know the drill too. Let us know how you feel about the content that we're bringing you by smashing that like button. And also, if you're here and you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon for the latest notifications on stories like this and the next. We've been I Got the Dirt TV. You guys have been great as always. Keep it locked here for the latest stories and the latest trending news. And we'll catch you guys on the next go round. Be safe in the meantime, and you know I mean it. Peace.
Both men accused of killing young Dolph, Justin Johnson, as well as Cornelius Smith, made a court appearance today. Judge Lee Coffey gave them a week to get an attorney. Today, they showed up in court again with no attorney. Judge Coffey giving them another week to hire an attorney. February 4th, that's next Friday, is the hard deadline. Basically, if they don't have an attorney by February 4th, their third court appearance in criminal court, they will be appointed a public defender. Both men asked for more time, telling the judge that their families are in the process of finalizing an attorney to represent them in court. Of course, we're going to continue to stay on top of this case all throughout, bringing you the very latest, so stay with us. Reporting here at 201, Jeremy Pierre, Fox 13 News.
Yeah, and you can rely on Fox 13 to bring you the most accurate information when it comes to what's happening around the Mid-South. We're staying on top of that murder investigation of young Dolph. For the latest development and all of our extended